definitely going to work on doing our strawberry bed. We're going to do some of the Hugelkultur method. The strawberries are actually going to go right here between the trees. These are 2 apple trees, and we're going to put it right between there. And we're going to use some of the Hugelkultur method. I know I'm saying that wrong, but anyways, that's how I say it. That's how it's going to be said. But I'll explain more. We'll just do a voiceover because otherwise I'm going to stand here and explain everything and I'm not going to get anything done. So we'll just do a voiceover as we're doing it, and I'll try to explain it then. Hugelkultur is a growing technique, and it's been practiced in German and Eastern European areas for like hundreds of years. It's actually where burning was illegal, so they weren't allowed to burn their wood and stuff like that. So this was a way for them to get rid of the wood and do some cleanup, but it not be illegal. And they found it is actually quite useful. So basically what it is the wood, it's like mounded up. It's not just wood. You can use sticks and hay, leaves, pretty much any organic matter. But you put it down and you just kind of mound it up, and then you put soil on top of it. So it's, I don't know, I guess it's kind of like a raised bed, so to speak. But then as the wood rots, it starts feeding the soil, which then obviously feeds the plants. Some say that it should be left for at least a few months before even planting because it releases the nutrients so quickly. But, it's us. We do things different, so we're going to try it anyway. But they say that once it's built, that the Hugelkultur beds will last like 5 to 6 years. This is our first Hugelkultur bed, so obviously it's the one we're going to make the mistakes on. One of the mistakes we made is we were running it this way. We should have been running them like this. The other ones that we made, we actually did run this way, and it just worked out a whole lot easier. It held the dirt. It just mounded better. So, yeah, this is the mistake bed, but it's going to work for us, I hope.
What you're putting in, all your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
How do you tell which way's up?
There's like see where the roots are?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You
There's
can kind of feel. There's like the crown, or I don't know what it's really called, but you can feel like a lump that you're up.
Tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith
My niece just FaceTimed us as we're putting all this down, and she's like, "What are you doing? It looks like you're burying bodies." I was like, "Just a couple of them that smarted off." So, yeah, that team, it won't grow, keeps going. We'll just keep on Hugelkulturing. Just remember that. That wouldn't be Hugelkultur though. What would that be?
That'd be human culture.
Human culture. Don't make us start human culture.
The more you
Then
get.
again, would you really want them in your garden? Yeah, we may want to skip the whole human culture.
Don't want it to tank the soil. Make everything bitter. Think of all the strawberries I'll be sitting out here eating. My lawn chair can go right around here.
You know, you can leave some of these strawberries so that I can make strawberry jam.
Well, if I don't eat them first, Boo will eat them.
Or you could both leave them and let me hand them. Grief. The whole lid sounds like it's going to come off.